What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to take another look at the AKASO Brave 7LE. So, yeah, stay tuned through the intro. Welcome back. So I'm fixing to just cut this camera off and I'm fixing to do everything else with this, and then I'll come back and close everything out. But we're going to do some testing with the Brave 7LE. We're going to do some audio tests, we're going to do some waterproof testing, and we're going to even do some quality testing on the different pictures and videos. So make sure to watch all of them, and I'll try to put it in the I'll put it on the screen what we're shooting in so you'll know. And then, yeah, there you go. So enjoy. All right, guys, so we're starting out in 1080p, 30 frames per second. That's what we're starting out at. I hadn't even left the hammock yet. I just want to go ahead and shoot this so you know where we're at. So, like I said, we're starting out at 1080, 30 frames per second. We're going to change that. I've got image stabilization on. I've got noise reduction on. And we're fixing to just, yeah, take a stroll and test this bad boy out. So there you go. All right, so now we are at 2.7K, 30 frames per second, image stabilization on, wind noise reduction. There are some resolutions that do not allow the image stabilization. So we're just gonna take a stroll through the briars and the brambles and get into some shade. Ow. Go back this way. So audio, we'll see how the audio works while I'm crunching through leaves. And okay. There's something over there. I don't know what it is. So we are now at 4K and 30 frames per second, and image stabilization is still on. That bee just buzzed right by my head. There was something over there, but I think it was a squirrel. Let's go this way. Trying to go through a little bit of shade, a little bit of light. We're in the woods, so hopefully this will give us a good indication as to how the camera sensor is going from shade to light. But yeah, just walking around. So again, this is 4K, 30 frames per second. Alright guys, so we have the AKASO Brave 7LE, and we're going to do a waterproof test. So, wish me luck. There's our water. Actually, can you still hear me? That's the question. Let me dry the screen off. guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. There will be a link in the description below for the AKASO Brave 7LE, as well as what I use for memory cards, because if you purchase one of these, you will not get memory cards with it. You have to purchase your own micro SD cards, so I'll have those linked below as well. And my go-to tripod is the Joby tripod. I'll have that link below as well. And it works perfect for these little action cameras. So go check all that stuff out, and I will have some videos at the end of this video on the end screen that you will probably like to check out. So there you go. So until I see you again, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.